Give Tim a minute to get on audio here.
Yep.
Hello.
Hi, Tim.
Hi.
Morning, good evening. Good afternoon. Hi there.
Good morning, Tim. Yep. So Tim, I have got the required access now. So probably, yes, we can do that. Just waiting for Nagesh, and I think if Nagesh has joined, Nagesh or Swapnil has joined, then we can start off with.
Okay.
Just a second. Just check.
They're on the invite.
Yes, I
Okay.
think so. Yeah.
Here comes Nagesh.
Okay. Nagesh has come up, I think. Hi, Nagesh.
Yeah, the audio takes a while to come through, so let's give
Okay.
it a second.
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna jump right in then.
Yeah.
Forget you're gonna drive.
Yes, Tim. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
great.
So yesterday, I think we have done some configs in S4X50, and I think we might have to do that same right here in S4X100 also. So probably, yeah. I think we went.
That's correct.
Yeah, this one, right? This particular transaction code.
Yes. So let's start by installing the BiQ collector.
Okay.
Just click the button, please. Excellent. And we can go to business process maintenance. That's the configuration.
Okay.
And just new entries.
Here we'll have to give it as P2P.
Yes, P2P was the one. That's procure to pay. And just activate that and press save. Excellent, thank you. And if you could go back. Create business process step, exactly. Just double click the business process step thingy, new, and well, we can do that in the newer editor. We can go back. Can go back, and I will ask my colleague Jakub to take over and guide you through the setup.
Yes, I'll go back one step.
Okay.
And back on the main screen. Yeah, here. So now click the table-based business process maintenance. Is the button under? Yeah. Here you can. There is F4.
Yeah.
And display setup. Yeah, so now we are going to configure the first step. So yeah, click the right click on procure to pay and create new BP step. Here put some name for this, purchase order, sequence number 1. Purchase order can be. Yeah, we can leave that empty and active later as you want.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I continue then?
Yeah, continue. Now click on save button and then refresh. Okay, and now where is the document definition? There is like new entry button.
Yeah, the
No,
is
no,
this the one?
no,
Oh,
more
the
to
new
the
one.
left.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay, right.
Yeah, here you choose the that step we just created. Yeah, document time is like the name on the controller.
Okay,
Can be also
which
PO.
okay, PO. Here it will be that source table, right? EKK.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, EKKO.
okay.
But this
Uh,
we also need later date and time field, and EKKO
okay.
doesn't have that field. So now double click on that EKKO.
Okay.
So we need to create, yeah,
Yeah.
join with change document table.
Okay.
Yes. So and it will
Um,
give me a sec.
yeah, sure.
Yes. So echo space,
Okay.
or I can copy to the chat the whole statement.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Where is the chat? Oh, here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And this other will be in the where condition. Yeah, perfect. So like click on the save button. Yeah, and now you can go back.
Just a second.
Okay, now we need the document number field, which identify our document.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And now we can use the date and time field from that change document table since we did the join.
Okay. Okay.
So that's it.
Uh,
T1. You cannot choose. You have to type it.
type it, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
I'll just say object
No.
or
Time
EIN, the other one, no?
T
EIN
T1
KBA.
and U date. Ah,
Oh, no. Okay. T1 like this.
yeah, and that wave.
And then s-
Let me.
okay.
I will copy it
Yeah, the tail.
again.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
right.
And U date.
You did.
U.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And same for the time field, but instead
Okay.
of U date, U time.
Okay. T1. Okay.
Yeah, and that's pretty it
Okay. So
because this
then,
is
can I save
first.
that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Saved it.
Okay. Now click on check. There is button where you
Yeah.
put the transaction name. Yeah.
Okay.
Have you clicked on save?
Where should I?
Click on
Yeah.
save
I
and
saved it.
refresh again, please.
Need to
Okay.
activate the purchase
Ah,
order step.
okay.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, right. Okay. Should I click on check now or
Mhm.
okay. PP steps configured.
You still need to activate the purchase order as a step. So if you could make that part wider, there should be, you know, checkbox sitting next to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Exact. Yeah.
And save it, please,
I'll
again.
see.
And let's try again with the check.
Yep.
Excellent.
Okay.
So yeah, that's done then. Yep.
Okay, so we just configured the first business process step. Well, we didn't configure any fields, so it will just pull the date, time, then it will pull document number, but no like real, you know, real useful field name, no useful
Okay.
data yet.
Okay.
However, one question before we configure that. Is it possible to just create a new PO entry
Purchase order.
in the table?
Yeah. I think yes. In that Nagesh, you there or Swapnil?
Yeah, Varghese, tell me.
Nagesh, they wanted to create a new PO in our S4X 100, Nagesh.
Okay.
I can do that. Shall I? I think I
Yeah,
might
you
have
can
that.
do it.
Just do it in
You
the
have the.
background.
You,
Mm,
yeah. Only thing is,
mm.
you
You
just
want a
have
fresh
to guide
PO
me.
now?
E yes, I think that's what. Yeah, they wanted it.
So just to connect the dots here, as Nagash creates the PO, is this now set up to run and capture it and send it to the controller yet?
Oh, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet. We just configured what we want to pull.
Okay.
So we configured that there is something that we call procure to pay, and it has one business process step now. And we configured basically a select statement pretty much. Like, well, which table to pull from, what are the date and time fields, etc. And but still nothing is running. But if we could create the purchase order, we then will be able to very quickly see the results as we configure. There is this button in the toolbar called test configuration, or well, labeled test configuration. And what that guy does is that it just runs something like a preview mode. Well, you can press it now, but probably nothing will be captured if there is. Yeah,
Yeah,
if
nothing
so
captured.
so it basically looks 1 hour back, and
Okay.
you know, like runs the complete collection in so-called preview mode. So nothing will be stored anywhere. It will just
Okay.
you know, do the work, select everything, pair everything if it can, and it stops before it would send it to data or the insights and then into the controller. So it will not send it there, and it will just display the results.
Okay. All right. Nagesh, how you want to take this? Or you gonna create it in the background?
Yeah, I just created. You
Oh,
see the. Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Purchase order number, I will give it. I will just paste it in the
Okay.
chat window.
I think
There
yeah,
it
it
is.
has come up, Nagesh. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 2784. Yeah.
278. Right. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe Jakub, if you could guide us through, you know, setting a couple of fields so that we can, you know, see some useful information for that purchase order, and then we can start the collection. Actually, one more question before we do: is it possible to, you know, well, long story short is that if we start the collection in, I don't know, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then what it will do, it will just, for the first execution, it will just put there, you know, a flag. So it will not capture anything. It will just, you know, place the stamp there that that the collection was running. And then, if I'm not mistaken, only as of the second execution, it will capture the delta, you know, as of the previous run, as of the first run in this case. So is it possible that we could have, you know, like new or updated purchase order a couple of times a day, or is this something that is already ongoing?
Nagesh, we can create it, right? Or in a day. I mean,
You
like,
want a fresh PO?
fresh PO is required, not now, right? Maybe
right.
an hour later, or maybe
Yes.
tomorrow when we go in, right? Yes.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
delta.
yeah.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes.
Swapnil Gupta can help you. Swapnil, are you there? Are you there in the call?
Yes, Nagesh. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So just create a PO after 1 hour, Swapnil, after the meeting ends, just by copying 2784.
Okay.
And tomorrow morning when you start, create few more POs in S4X 100 system.
Okay. So I copy the same PO, right, which you created.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, already it is
Oh.
visible in this, you know, like AppDynamics table. So I think this is having the
Yes, yes.
rightful information.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Varghese,
Yeah, I
is
will
that
create
sufficient, or do you need
one
any
page.
other?
I think it's fine. Yes, yes, Nagesh. I think it should be good. Be good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I think we can proceed. Jakub, if you could just, you know, configure there a couple more fields, just look at, you know, SC11 and pull a couple of those, or just use the
Yeah.
list that Gerardo sent earlier, like last week. And let's just, you know,
Pull some field. Yeah.
exactly. Thank you.
Yes. For example. Just scroll more down, maybe. Yeah, we can, for example, Ernam, name of person who created the object. So let's configure that. So go back to the BiQ setup. Yeah, and where is the custom document fields on the bottom part? Yeah, there is also append new row button. Yeah. Now you choose the process step F4. Yep. Analytics schema, that's the name how it's propagated in the controller. So
Just a sec. Sorry.
yeah.
Just clicked on that. Yeah. Yeah. Analytics schema. Yeah.
And call
This
it
will be P2P or
no username, because
okay.
we're pulling now Ernam field, which stores the
Okay.
username.
Yeah. This
Underscore.
add this.
Yeah, or with underscore as you want.
Okay. Here is that
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Here put Ernam.
Okay.
And as well, there is a activation button.
Okay.
At the end. At the end. Here.
Okay. The save.
Yeah.
You only see ATV at the end there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. There's one.
Yes. Yes.
And now click Save. Refresh and check again.
Okay.
Okay.
So if we were in test config, we would see an
Mhm.
additional field.
Yes. Yeah,
Username,
I
yeah,
guess
it's there.
username.
Mhm.
Okay. So this
Okay.
goes, when the data gets collected, then it goes to, you said data vard insight first, and then it goes to the,
Exactly. So the data vard insights is actually well, it's not doing it right now, but it will be once we start the collection, and it will be capturing the data, and it I mean, well, the data we just configured, and what it will do is that it will send it directly to AppDynamics controller into the analytics, into a schema called SAP_BiQ_documents.
so the schema already exists then. It doesn't have to get created.
It's created automatically in a
It's created
lazy
automatically.
initialization way, where the first time it's executed, and first time there is some data, it will get propagated there and lazily created.
Okay, and then if we move to another document type, right? Does it create something different in the schema? Does it create like a new document type?
Yes, exactly. And well, it will always update the fields. So there's a list of fields, right, in the schema,
Uh-huh.
and this can be dynamic in AppDynamics controller, well, in the AppDynamics analytics to be more precise. And so what this collector is doing is that it's checking all the active business process steps of all the active business processes, and it checks if the schema structure changed, and if it did, then it adjusts that, so that you know, we have everything from each step that is configured pretty much.
Okay. So can we then actually write to the controller then, based on what we did with the one PO?
Yes, we should. Well, we will need to create or update that PO again, because you know, the once, well, this test mode is looking 1 hour back, whatever, no matter what. So we are still okay with
Okay.
the PO that was just created minutes ago,
Mhm.
but for the real data collection,
Yep.
it runs in those, you know, like let's run let's capture everything that's new since we last ran. So what we can do is we can start the collection now, create a PO, then stop the collection and restart it, and you know, it will remember that it already was running, so it should capture our PO and it should send it to the controller. Am I making sense?
Okay. So basically, you wanted first now to
Yeah.
stop this one,
No.
and then
No. Jakub, could you please help here?
So first we need to create a new PO.
okay.
No, first we need to run the
Right.
collector, right? To
Okay,
set
so
the flag,
Okay.
basically, that we are running it. So
Okay.
I'm
just go
typing to
to
the
okay,
the
Jakub, sorry,
one.
your show.
Yeah, no problem. So go to
This is on.
yeah.
Second. Take that. Yes. Is this the one right now?
Tomasz?
License information. So where are we?
We go to the
License
DVD
type
mon.
trial. No
Yeah.
DVD mon. Okay, so let me take over. There is transaction D. Please close this one. We do
Okay.
have so what Jakub navigated you to do is to go directly to the expert UI for data ward insights, but first we need to install the license and start the collector. So let's go to /dvd/ let me type it to the screen to the chat. That's abbreviation for data ward insights connector, I think. Yeah. So ABAP agent integration with the data
Okay.
ward insights. Exactly. So the collector is running, and just press start.
This one, right?
There.
AppDynamics for SAP BiQ. Okay.
Did you press it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Not sure what's wrong here.
Okay.
If you
Should I click again, or we
well,
should
yes, you can,
wait?
but I don't think that will make a lot of difference. And there is no error message, all right?
Mm.
Just not seeing anything.
I think they installed the trial license for Insights, but I did get the permanent one or the NFR license. If you want to
Oh,
put that
that
in,
could be the case, but I mean, I'm not sure now how this is covered license wise. That if you need to have the permanent license actually,
I have that.
but
If we want to put that in,
okay, well, I'm not sure, but well, if that's the case, I would at least expect, some error message or some warning that your license isn't strong enough or something. But it seems that there is nothing. That is weird.
Still the same. Yeah.
Well, I will need to check with our team. I think that there were already POVs running BiQ, so I'm not sure what's wrong here. Would you click this install license button again? You should see there that there is a license unlimited. That sounds pretty unlimited, right? And license is valid till 29th July, which is not okay. Well, it expires in 7 days, but we should be fine with this. Oh, I don't know. This is weird. Well, okay, I will check internally, and well, to be honest, I don't know how to solve it like right now. But in the meantime, if you could open